Good afternoon. My name is Karen Lizeth Ortega Escuntar. I am a student in bachelor's degree in foreign language teaching with an emphasis on English. At the moment, I am in seventh semester. For a degree, it's vitally important to take into account the pedagogical practice which I am studying, developing for the course teaching English to children, adolescents, and adults. I take virtual practice scenario, a relay strategy, a scenario offered by UNAD for those students who don't have the opportunity to have face-to-face classroom nearly. This strategy allowed me as a student and teacher in training to make classes with English groups from the same university. This strategy is also flexible with schedules since it makes it easier to give classes when it's convenient. The population in both groups is with young people between 16 and 17 and adults between 18 and 32 years old are carried out. For these two groups were taken into account Group A, Group B of English 4 at the same university who were enrolled in a basic level of English with whom they took classes from 10 a.m. o'clock or at 12 or half past 11 p.m. On Tuesdays and the Thursdays from 4 o'clock p.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. the Wednesday and Friday. Why was this pedagogical practice meaningful for me and my students? So, on the other hand, I made the material using the PowerPoint tool because all my classes were in PowerPoint with which I created didactic material for virtual environments, including image, videos, video games, um, readings, taking into account the needs of the students um, and that level in which they are. Facing challenge of their own level, some topics such as simple present, past simple were developed in classes, among others of level A1, basic level for this case. This allowed students to strengthen their knowledge, active participation, and understanding of the topics since explanations, exercise related to their own experiences, and during the class the students were very attentive, participatory, and punctual, and have great skills to contribute knowledge and answer questions about topics such as um, adverbs, WH questions, mm, another topics. I believe that other way to improve, to be better in English or to be better in my new practice is use a single tool to present the classes, but that is important that I investigate the use of other tools to make classes more didactic. So thank you so much. It was, I think that it was a very good experience because I developed my skills to speaking, listening, grammar, and writing. That is important to be better not only in the practice, but that is important to be better in my life, like a teacher. So, and this experience is important because I try to be better every day, to give the best of me. Um, so now new people that give feedbacks to me too because I only an student that I learned and I teach about other students. So practice with um, English 4 is important because they know a lot of things that I teach of them too. So it was a very good experience. So thank you so much for this video to see this video. Bye bye.